to honor and appreciate the beauty and bounty of Mother Nature, let us begin this auspicious occasion with a shloka that reminds us of our intrinsic connection to the natural world. Sarve bhavantu sukhina, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukha bhav bhave. May all beings be happy, may all beings be free from disease, may all see auspicious things, and may no one suffer in any way. This shloka embodies the essence of our gathering today to foster happiness, well-being, and harmony for all living beings by nurturing and preserving the environment. As we proceed with our program, let us keep this noble intention in our hearts and minds. Together, we can make a significant impact in conserving the natural world for future generations. Now I call Ms. Sejal Gotri of Naini to give a speech on Nature's Day.
I quote, "Nature is the poetry of earth. It is not a place to visit, it is our home." A very pleasant and heartfelt good morning to our father, Reverend Dr. M.O. Omen Jr., Honorable Vice Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Susan Omen, our beloved teachers and generous staff members, and my fellow mates. Some old-fashioned things like fresh air and sunshine and other beautiful aspects of nature are hard to beat. Today, we gather to celebrate Nature's Day, a day dedicated to honoring and appreciating the beauty and importance of our natural environment. Nature is not just a backdrop to our lives, it is the very essence of our existence. Nature provides us with countless gifts and the breathtaking landscapes that inspire us. Our connection to nature is profound. It nurtures our physical, spiritual, and emotional well-being. In today's world, the rapid pace of industrialization and urbanization possess significant threats to our natural environment. Industrialization, while driving the economic growth and technology, has numerous adverse effects on the planet. We should be a part of the solution, not the pollution. Pollution can lead to severe health issues for humans and wildlife alike. We have no option but to go green, as there is no planet B. As forests are cleared for industrial development, the biodiversity within them is threatened. Countless species lose their habitations and, in some cases, extinction. We never notice the beauty of nature because we were too busy trying to urbanize it. Urbanization, with its expanding cities and infrastructure, also have profound environmental impacts. We are the first generation to feel the full effects of climate change and the last generation that can do something about it. Climate change is perhaps the most alarming consequence of our industrial and urban activities. Weather patterns become unpredictable and severe. The Intergovernmental Panel of Climate Change, IPCC, has warned that without significant reductions in greenhouse gas emissions, we will face catastrophic consequences. If you wish to know the divine, feel the wind on your face and the warm sun on your hand. It is important than ever to take conscious steps towards the degradation of nature. This earth doesn't belong to us, we belong to it. Let us pledge in St. Thomas School today to be mindful stewards of our planet, to appreciate its beauty, and to take action to protect it. We, human beings today, are the most dangerous animals and are the custodians of the future. However, together, we can and we will make a difference. Thank you and happy Nature's Day.
Thank you, Sejal. We now have a melodious song sung by the group of teachers, Mrs. Sakita Sinha, Mrs. Shravani Upadhyay, Mrs. Pushpanjali, Mrs. Sherry Chattopadhyay, and Mr. Navneet Kumar, titled Hum Yeni Jiye. call upon Master Nabil Jami, the head boy, to give the pledge.
Everybody to extend their right hand forward. As stewards of our planet, we pledge to cherish and protect nature. We recognize our responsibility to safeguard Earth's diverse ecosystems, to conserve precious resources, and to promote sustainable practices. Today and every day, we commit to learning about the environment, to take action against climate change, and to inspire others to join us in preserving the beauty and richness of our world. Together, we can make a difference for future generations to thrive in harmony with nature. Thank you.
Last but not the least, I would like to extend a warm word of gratitude to our esteemed principal, vice principal ma'am, all the teachers, staff members, and all my fellow